Just bought a new CelcomDigi SIM card in Malaysia and don't know how to activate it? No worries. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to activate your SIM card, step by step directly from your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to Techload. Today I'm going to show you how to activate a CelcomDigi prepaid SIM card in Malaysia, easily using the app and SIM package. First step, download CelcomDigi app. If you are using an Android phone, so open your Android phone Google Play Store. Or if you are using an iPhone, so open your iPhone App Store. Then tap on search value and type CelcomDigi app. Then install the apps on your device. Second step, open CelcomDigi apps. After install the CelcomDigi app, then open. Then tap on prepaid SIM activation. Then tap on Start Now. Then select Language, and then tap on Next option. Then here tap on Start. Then tap on Scan Now. Then scan SIM barcode. Then tap on Confirm. Enter your new SIM card number. Then tap on Confirm. Here choose your residence type, Malaysian or non-Malaysian. Then tap on Next option. Then tap to scan and scan your ID. Use a valid original passport or ID. Then tap on Confirm option. Here confirm your details, fill in your local address, postcode, state, city. Then tap on Confirm option. Then here take selfie, facial verification. You're in. Congratulations on starting your journey with CelcomDigi. Please allow 10 minutes for your .registration to complete before inserting your SIM card into our device.